TOPDON Jump Starter 2000. Such a bad one. Carry bag. Cables for car battery. USB-C cable. Instruction panel. So right now I don't have any car to jumpstart, but let's see, about 60%. What else it does? If you hold it down, flashlight comes on, bright LED, no blinking, okay. Engine start hole. Here goes those two cables, which we have this side. USB those. And this side, USB-C, that's other word. This is what you receive from package. Might come handy, but I will test it out once I find any vehicle which needs jump starting. Thanks for watching. Proovin nüüd ja käi ilusti. Minus 19. I had a chance to test out this TOPDON jump starter or booster or whatever they call this thing. I received this at summer when I bought auto diagnostics scanner, and I didn't have any kind of chance to really test it out because my cars don't need jump starting and everything else. So this fellow had a problem. His car didn't start, so I saw a small slightly chance to come and test it out. Obviously it's a Volkswagen Passat, it's not a big engine, but it's winter time and it's minus 19, so I assume that it's a bit harder for this thing to start the car, and it started it.